So now I'm going to be doing the individual braiding method. So it's going to look like it's single braids, but it's not. So I'm going to take, like, break this up in 3. I'm going to plait my hair. And then the rest of this is going to be cornrowed. So I'll be right back. I have completed the front half. So it looks like single braids, but it won't be because all of this is going into a cornrow. You can braid to the ends if you feel like it, but I didn't. I put rubber bands in the front just for more security. And now I'm gonna attach it. I'm gonna do maybe about 3, and then I'll show how to do. So I just did some of them. So then it will just be cornrowed. You just basically twine them together like that, and then you put a rubber band to hold it in, and that's how you do it. Very simple, very easy. And now I am braiding it like a cornrow, just attaching it and braiding down. Okay, so I just finished the braiding and I did one already, and then you just attach it crochet style, and that's about it. I'm gonna show you how to hook it on. So you have it closed, put it through. I mean, you open it, yeah. It's gonna open. You want that to happen. You put the hair in on the loop. You lock it, pull through, and open it a little bit. Put the hair in, and then tie it like that. I'm halfway done. Okay, I am finished. I used all 8 packs. And I can put it any type of hairstyle I want to do. And that's it.